play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am IAMDACARDIA, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer, and if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So in today's video, I've decided to do a quick weave. You guys, I have not did a quick weave since high school, but you know what? I'm going to attempt to do it today. So I got these 2 packs of hair for an affordable price, and no, I did not get them at the beauty supply hair store, but I am sure they do have it at the hair store. So let me just give you the rundown on this hair. So she is beautiful. It's human hair style mix. It's not human, but it looks human. So this is a Yaky 12-inch F4/27. And these kind of look different, but they are the same. It's kind of weird. If you want more information on the hair, just go to my description box. I'm going to try to find the link for you guys to purchase this hair. But overall, baby, let's go on ahead and get started. So I'm going to be popping in and out, you know, telling you guys what I'm doing and, you know, all that good stuff. But right now I am doing a leave out with this quick weave. So I left a little piece. I do want a middle part when it comes to this. So I am about to mold my hair. And I also want to mention, everybody do their quick weave different. This is how I did mine way back in the day. You feel me? But anywho, I did use my Got to Be spray and this olive oil gel. Now, usually I would use some spritz, but I don't have no spritz, so I have to make it do what it do like I always do. But I also been paying attention to the girls that do quick weave. Like, it really has advanced from back in the day when I've done it. So lately I've been watching, you know, the girls that do their quick weave. It's a whole different technique that they do. They put something on top of it and it's hard. Y'all, I don't even understand that method, baby. I'm gonna make it do what it do with what I know. So if you are one of the girlies who want to try something different, aka the old school way of doing quick weave, make sure you continue watching this video. If you don't want the glue from the tracks to seep through the stocking caps, baby, put your 2 on. Put 2 stocking caps on. Sometimes you could do 3. What I absolutely love about this hair, it has 2 colors. I'm going to show you. So on one side you have brown like this, but on the other side when you turn it over, it is blonde, like a honey blonde. I'm showing you the difference. Look at that. I love it. So I'm going to choose this honey blonde as my overall color. Now, if you want to do like highlights in it, you can flip it one way, flip it the other way. That'll be cute too, but I chose all blonde. So that tan stocking cap is like really getting on my nerves. So, yo, this is what I do. I get some eyeshadow, I get the black eyeshadow, and I cover it up. I probably should have used 2 black stocking caps, but you know what? It is what it is. I done it. It's already on there, and I'm not changing it, okay?
They need me to go, but I don't want to leave. Rest in peace, Lil Keith.
I'm not going to speak on how long it's been since I've done a quick weave. I'm going to say it's almost 2 decades ago. But anyway, y'all, I have not lost it at all. When it comes to this right here, baby, this is where it began. Like, everything that I knew about hair, it was this. I ended up doing quick weaves because I wasn't a wig girly back then. But this right here, baby, this brought me back to my roots where it all began. And I'm so thankful and happy that I actually did this video. I would give this style a 10 out of a 10 because it looks so natural. It looks real to me. Like, baby, you would think that this is my hair. Okay, like the leave out really tied in everything for me. So anywho, that's all I got for you guys. Like I always say, if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Rest in peace, Lil Keith. Fuck a pigeonhole, I'm a night owl, this a different mode. I'ma have to make a paint of 6 on a pinky toe. Heard you with a shooting guard.